TravelDog here, and in this video we take a stroll through Central Park. We head off to the Krispy Kreme donut shop in Times Square, have the most amazing tacos in Los Tacos No.1, and round off the day with a stroll through Times Square at night where we see somebody with a gigantic snake. So chill out and watch TravelDog's USA Adventure Part 4.
So here we are, just heading into Central Park. It's so cool, this sort of view there with all the trees. There's something so beautiful about that mix of the buildings and the park, don't you think? Oh, look at it that way as well. Oh man, look at those things. Central Park guided tour. Oh, cool. Thank you, Chisholm. I always like these arches. I always see these in films. They go through it, Central Park. Come on, everybody. Let's head through the archway. And out the other side. Man, it's actually quite chilled in here. Because it's Saturday, there's probably quite a lot of people chilling in the park. Everybody's just chilling out in Central Park, having picnics, walking their dog. Got a cool kind of baseball area over there. We've got a beautiful view of the city over there, man. Look at that. It's just so cool. Look at it. Some more cool views of Central Park. Everybody chilling out in the buildings in the background. As we head on through and walk into the Metropolitan Museum of Art now is the plan. Not necessarily to go around right now, but to work out to go there tomorrow. Super cool bit of Central Park here, that lovely bit here. We're coming down through this beautiful archway section. It's really cool. Oh man, there's a guy playing like a sitar thing down here in the central area. Check out this crazy fountain. Yeah, crazy fountain I've never seen before in Central Park. Look at it, it's really cool. One of those mad iconic views over there across New York. I've never actually seen this view before, so cool. Everybody boating in the lake, really nice. Swans as well. Coming up to the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and we're walking through the tree hedge. Check out the tree hedge as described by Road PD. Nice and cool American school bus for us to look at there. Cool, man. And here it is, Metropolitan Museum of Art. Right, the Met. It's cool, doesn't it? Right, let's go inside. This place is busy, man. Really busy. We're heading back through Central Park. We're going to get the subway from, what's it called? Natural History Museum. Back to the hotel. We're going to chill for a bit. And you've got a Harry Potter section of Central Park there. And the whole thing's pretty cool, man. Look at that, everybody playing sport. So heading into the subway to get back to the hotel. Oh, C. So it is C we want, as far as I can see. To Port Authority Bus Terminal.
It's hard to explain just how hot it was. It was like 36 or something, I think, that day. And down here, these bits of the subway were just unbelievably hot, like kind of sauna areas. Once you got on the train, it was really nice and air-conditioned, but these bits were like mad saunas as you walked through it. But it was nice and easy to get around. You could use your Apple Pay or your credit card just to buy the trip, which made it nice and easy to move around.
So we're getting the subway to Euclid Avenue. Port Authority to get back to TBA Times Square. Join the subway? Join the subway? Okay, here it comes. Man, that was quick. Mountain Dew slushy, baby. Right, let's go for it. So we're in 7-Eleven. Mountain Dew slushy. It's been achieved. What does it look like?
It's like
frozen Mountain Dew. Right, come on. Right. Oh, this is Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Midget? That's Chick-fil-A. Okay. Right. What's the Mountain Dew like?
Tastes like cold Mountain Dew.
Tastes like cold Mountain Dew. Can I have a sip?
But it's flat.
Yeah, it's flat.
Yeah, it's flat. But I can't. Sorry. It's good.
That's weirdly good. Oh, I like that. Here you go, baby. Full on rain. Look at it.
It's not weirdly windy.
No, it's not weirdly windy.
really weird. It doesn't rain normally, dude.
Exactly.
It's raining like waves.
It's raining in weird waves, man. Heading over to the Krispy Kreme shop, baby. Right, here we go. Alright, we're in. Oh, let's go and have a look. It's a bit like that one in Wimbledon.
Okay.
They got all the donuts going down the donut shelf. Let's see if we get a free sample.
Hello, sir.
Hey, man.
Welcome to Krispy Kreme, sir. Would you
Hey, dude.
like to try a sample, sir?
Yeah, of course.
Are we together here?
Yeah.
I'll give you another one.
Okay. Oh, man, that's weird. Oh, cheers, dude. Thank you very much.
Welcome and have a great night, sir.
Thank you, man. There you go. Free donut. Do you want anything else? Or is that good enough? Oh, man. That's so unbelievably good.
It's so good.
This is the best donut I've ever had in my life.
So soft.
Oh, it's so soft. Man. That's amazing.
Isn't that like that here in America? They're so fresh.
I have no idea, but I don't know. God, absolutely good. I'm not even right.
And more kind of
Yeah.
almost butter.
It's just amazing. Man. I don't want to eat it, but it's just amazing.
How was that one?
Which one? This one?
How was that one?
That one? Chocolate candy surprise.
No, that one.
Yeah? Can we get a chocolate candy surprise?
That's it?
This one.
$3.79.
Cheers, Steve. Thanks. It sounds stupid to go on about that about that donut, but Midget is wearing a hat because that donut was just unbelievably good.
And it was free.
Unbelievably good, and it was
I
free.
didn't think it would be that good though.
I didn't think it would be that good. I thought, yeah, you eat it. It's just like, man, just melted in your head. Absolutely stunning. Right, wandering down more sort of Broadway theatres, leaping back to the hotel. Just a cool sunset down there. Look at that. I think you can see it on the GoPro. But it is really cool. Look at it. Okay, so we are in the queue for
Los Tacos.
Tacos No.1. Captain Midget is still wearing his Krispy Kreme hat. There's masses of people queuing up. And we are waiting to see what will happen. What we should do is, this place was recommended by Christian and Nush. So are we going to give him a TravelDog shout out?
You can. I'm not.
Are you ready for the TravelDog shout out?
No.
Christian Nush, thank you for recommending this place in New York City.
That's too many.
Okay, so look at the menu. So you got steak, chicken, marinated pork, which you won't have, grilled cactus. You got quesadilla. This place is absolutely mad, packed with humans fighting it up in there, baby. Look at them, thousands of them. Smelling here, it's actually smelling proper Mexican
Wait.
tortillas.
Are the-
Anyway, we're in here. It's packed with people. And we are going for it, baby.
No, Keep, I think you queue there. Oh,
Where?
here.
Okay. Oh man, look at the tamarind. What? It looks amazing. Oh, the tamarind. Yeah, no. Don't cut it. What are we gonna get? Oh, you got the ticket. Corn tortilla, yeah.
Everything.
Corn on everything, yes please. Corn on everything, bro.
Oh, did you see that?
Oh, it's cool, man. Oh, maybe you do just get one of each. Yeah, no idea. Yeah. That's so cool.
It's so satisfying.
It's so satisfying. It's just so amazing, isn't it? Check it out. Ah. Cheers, dude. Thank you. Awesome. Cheers, man. Thank you. Thank you. Can we grab a bit of wine? Oh no, you got salsa and stuff over here. Okay, I hadn't realised you did just literally get one of each for those things.
Which one's the quesadilla?
I don't entirely know. Maybe that's the quesadilla. They all look kind of
Maybe
similar,
that's cheese.
but they look good. Oh, that's got cheese on it. They look absolutely amazing. It looks so beautiful with the corn tortillas. I love the corn tortillas. It's just the best thing on earth. We're going to get a few of the little weird sauces. Well, every sauce basically. Oh man, you got pickled radishes and chilies. Look at that. Okay, so salsa.
Should I stand over there?
Yeah, go on, man. Salsa. Must be chili. Green chili salsa. Yeah, I've got to get the radish. And there's just like chilies as well. There's chilies. Oh, I guess. Sorry to skip. Radishes out. A couple of radishes. And let's get chili as well. Look at these babies, man. Whoa. Okay. So we are rocking it. We're going for everybody. So we need to hold them all. Okay. So which one do you got?
The beef.
So the beef. Okay. Go for it. Go for it. Beef it up, midget. The smell of corn tortilla is so beautiful. No. No.
That is good.
No. Amazing.
The beef is so good. Meat's really nice, so it's kind of barbecue
The
flavour.
meat's really barbecued. They've got a deep taste.
It's really like soft as well. I didn't think I'd like a corn taco, but it's really good.
The corn taco has that beautiful flat flavour of joy. Man, absolutely amazing. Which is that one? Chicken.
Chicken. Meat, really good flavour. Chicken's really good. Taco's good.
Everything about it.
Freshness to it.
Oh, the freshness is amazing. The whole thing is amazing.
I can't remember what it's called, but the green stuff's creamy.
The guacamole?
Yeah, it balances it out.
Oh man. It is the best taco you've ever had in your life. It's spicy, but it's kind of...
Barely though. But in a good way.
Oh man. No, moon.
Is it better with the lime?
No. No, wait, do you want the last bite?
Alright. I'll have all.
It's
Oh. Good with the lime.
The good with the lime.
more fresh.
Nice. It's so fresh. It's so tasty. All it is cilantro or
The till was shut to go for free.
no way. Haha, dude, we just got these for free. Check it out, everybody. Right, nice one.
Because the till was shut.
Because the till was shut. Because it's after 10 o'clock. Okay. What's it like? Quesadilla? Better? Worse?
Same thing, but a bit more creamy and cheesy.
Creamier and cheesier. Right. No. 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 No.
I'm so full.
No. Good.
Last bite. I feel like in this one though,
Yeah.
the creaminess of the cheese and stuff almost overpowers the meat a bit too
You
much.
think so?
And I want more bite.
I mean, the purity of the one without cheese is bad. Those are nothing like tacos you have in England, are they? But nothing. They're actually like Mexican tacos. There's the flatness, the flavour of the corn tortilla. It's just so unbelievably beautiful.
Ratings?
Oh, 9. 9.
All of them are 9.
9. All of them 9.
Yeah, it's good meat, creamy,
Cool, creamy,
flavorful.
it's fresh. But then, as you eat it, you got the freshness, you got the onion, you got the corn tortilla, and then you got the
You don't
flavour of
feel
meat.
sick of it.
You don't
I'm
feel
just really
sick.
full.
Yeah, and but the meat was such beautifully flavoured as well. Yeah, amazing. Here we are after the crazy taco place, just strolling through Times Square, man.
Look how many times it says
Sure.
express.
What time is that? 22:23, and the place is still bursting with people, man.
Who is looking at Paw Patrol at
Well,
this
there's just
time?
people taking photos of each other on podiums, everything. Times Square is just insane at the moment. Whatever time it is, 10:30, it's just like literally billion people in here. It's a weird thing blowing steam in the air. What is it? It's so freaky. It's just the Georgian's Park in regards to Broadway. There's a couple who just got married over there, man. They just got out of the car for a photo. It's just constant madness every second. I used to think India was the only place with constant madness like this, but America, man. Oh, look at them, they go for it now. Getting on the top of the car for a photo. Yeah, it's gonna fall off. Okay, Times Square, somebody with a snake. Dancing with a massive snake. Here we go. Somebody with a snake. Gotta be said, that's not the weirdest thing I've seen here so far. That's just kind of normal.